The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To begin diagnosing the issue, I connected a scan tool and retrieved 2 fault codes, P0449, indicating an issue with the Evaporative Emission System vent valve solenoid circuit, and P0455, which points to a large leak detected in the evaporative emission EVAP system. These codes suggest there's a problem with the system that prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, which is an important component for reducing emissions. I started by visually inspecting the EVAP system, including hoses, lines, and connections for obvious damage or loose fittings. Everything appeared to be in good condition, so I moved on to a more detailed diagnostic process. Using the scan tool, I commanded the EVAP purge solenoid and the EVAP canister vent solenoid to close. This step seals the EVAP system, allowing me to test it for leaks. Next, I connected a smoke machine to the EVAP service port to introduce smoke into the system. This method is highly effective for identifying leaks because smoke will escape from any compromised areas in the sealed system. After filling the EVAP system with smoke, I carefully inspected all components for signs of escaping smoke. The inspection revealed smoke escaping from both the EVAP canister and the EVAP canister vent solenoid. This confirmed that these components were faulty and were causing the large leak detected by the system. To fix the problem, I replaced the EVAP canister and the EVAP canister vent solenoid with new components. After completing the repair, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to ensure the system was functioning properly. The vehicle operated normally and the check engine light remained off. No new fault codes were detected, confirming the repair was successful. This repair highlights the importance of systematic testing when diagnosing EVAP system issues. By sealing the system and using a smoke machine, I was able to pinpoint the exact source of the problem, avoiding unnecessary part replacements. Proper functioning of the EVAP system is crucial for reducing harmful emissions and maintaining compliance with environmental standards.